All right, Bill, what's happening? Hopefully everything is doing great with you. All is very fine over here. Let's go ahead and review the main guitar riff from Day Tripper by the Beatles. So we start off with open E. Second finger to the 3rd fret of low E. 3rd finger to the 4th fret of low E. To our 1st finger on the 2nd fret of A. And that rolls over to the 2nd fret of D. And we release it to the open D. So far. Then we go to 2nd fret with our 1st finger. And then 3rd finger goes to the 4th fret of G. Then our 1st finger bars again, 2nd fret. Open D to the 2nd fret of G. So the whole section here is, the whole riff rather is. So this is what I'll do. I'll play it nice and slow. Then I'll give it a couple seconds so that way you can play, and then I'll hit it again, and we'll go so on and so forth, so that way you get a really good feel and groove for it. Great, let me start us off. Closer this time. Now, the next part would be, it does a similar riff, but it starts off of the A string. It only does it once, then it goes back to the E. Alright, so we have now the chords coming up for the chorus, and those chords are, we have an F sharp 7 chord, that's on the 2nd fret, we're barring all of the strings. 3rd finger goes on the 4th fret of A, 1st finger bars across everything, 3rd finger 4th fret of A, and our 2nd finger is going to go right on the 3rd fret of G. Pretty much punches it on every beat. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go to an A barred chord, which is going to be on the 5th fret. It's a regular A major barred chord. So 1st finger goes across everything. 3rd finger goes on the 7th fret of A. 4th finger goes on the 7th fret of D. And our 2nd finger goes on the 6th fret of G. 4 punches there. Then it goes to G sharp or A flat, down 1 fret, same chord, but just move it down 1 fret. To a C major barred chord. So first finger is on the 4th fret of A, third finger is on the 6th fret from D going higher. And that goes down 2 frets to B, so it's the same chord shape, but instead of just staying on the 4th fret, it goes 4th fret to the 2nd fret, then it goes back to opening it up to the beginning. Alright, so one more time. F sharp 7, A beat, A major, 3, 4 to G sharp major, 2, 3, 4, C sharp major, 2, 3, 4 to B major. Back to the top. Excellent. You're doing fantastic. Take it nice and slow, one step at a time, and it's all coming around great. So definitely call or email if you have any further questions.